The topic of today's video is how to use AnyDesk to access another computer. Alright, so first thing is first, we want to get the address of the computer that you want to access, right? And once you get that address, what you want to do is you want to type it in right on the top here where it says enter remote address. And once you've done that, you can hit enter. Alright, so now it will begin connecting. And on the other side, you will get a pop-up like this, and you need to accept that pop-up. That is how we give remote access. And so now you can see here that we have remote access of the computer, and you can see we have a little chat log button over here. We can click on the top over here to transfer files, and it's just as simple as dragging and dropping in files. Over here, you have a whole bunch of options like screen recording, for instance, on the computer that you're remote controlling. And then, of course, disconnecting will be done from the other computer. So when you're done, you just need to give whoever in your office the go ahead to disconnect. And that is pretty much it, guys. Very simple, nothing complicated here. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video.